Let's talk about StreamPulse's ticket system. Stream tickets are what you use to broadcast live streams on our platform. It's straightforward. One stream equals one ticket. Here's how it works. When you start a stream, one ticket is deducted from your account. If you delete a stream, that ticket is refunded back to you. Simple and flexible. We offer 4 different packages to suit various streaming needs. Our light package comes with 1 ticket, basic with 2 tickets, advanced with 5 tickets, and pro with 8 tickets. Choose the package that fits your streaming frequency. Remember, more streams can potentially lead to more viewers and more opportunities for growth. Your tickets are valid for 30 days from the date of purchase. You can use them to stream on YouTube, Twitch, or Kick, giving you flexibility across these 3 major platforms. To use a ticket, go to the My Stream section in your StreamPulse panel and start your stream. If you end your stream within the 30-day period, the ticket is credited back to your account and can be used for another broadcast.